guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are really doing well. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna try this most viral mask. This is from Beauty of Joseon, their rice and honey glow mask. Like, I have seen almost every review video available online on this particular mask, and because I was so obsessed with it and I really wanted to try this one out because it is supposed to be really good for, you know, dull skin. So yeah, I finally got my hands on this and let's try it together. So yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching the video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as it means a hell lot to me. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm also trying this for the very first time. I'm opening this right now. Okay, it comes in a jar. This is the mask, and you also get a spoolie, something kind of this spoolie. Okay, so yeah, it has so many, you know, good ingredients to it that would provide glow to your skin. So let's try it out. First things first, put your hair back because we don't want any hair to get stuck. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this mask is supposed to give you that, you know, bright glowing skin, and the texture of it feels kind of grainy. As you can see, it's not smooth, it's little grainy, but I don't think the grains or, you know, the particles won't hurt your face because it's very not so rough, to be honest. Okay, so this is the mask. All you have to do is apply it evenly onto your face. By the way, I have already washed my face, that's why I'm not washing it again. I'm using my hands and not the spoolie. So you need to apply this mask on a clean face. It definitely smells like honey. It has different kinds of, you know, rice extracts to it, some clays like kaolin clay to it, you know, that will just remove the excess oils from your skin. And rice and honey, of course, they are going to give that brightness, and I was so excited to try this one out. Avoiding the eye area. Yeah. So I'm all done. You need to leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes or like max 20 minutes, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so it's been like 20-25 minutes and I'm gonna rinse it off. Firstly, you're gonna take some water and kind of scrub it into your face. This will give you the satisfaction of scrubbing, but the beads are not harsh, so it will not damage your skin barrier as well. So just going to give it a good 5-minute massage. Let's just get it off and see whether it has done anything or not. Okay, so I've washed my face and I can definitely see that my skin is looking much brighter. I'll give it to that, and it's much more softer as well. But see, my skin is, you know, definitely looking brighter. Oh yeah, yes, I'm loving it. You know, it is definitely brighter and clear, and my skin feels so moisturized as well. Like, if you have dry skin, you're gonna love it. If you have oily skin, I think this mask could be a little heavier for you, but you know, it can work. And yeah, so this is the final result. So yeah, it's definitely approved by me. It is a good one. Like, now I'm satisfied that I spent, you know, 1,000 rupees on a mask. It is expensive though, but you know, if you are going out for a party or something, special event, you can use this mask. It will definitely do something for your skin. It will definitely remove that dullness. So yeah.